as usual, with a new story, we have new vocabulary. So, for our first new vocabulary word, we have the word burst. Burst. You might think of like a starburst or gushers that burst in your mouth when you chew them. If you feel like you will burst, you feel great energy that you want to use up because it's like you have so much energy you just might burst. So our sentence is, we felt like we were going to burst with excitement on the first snow day of the year. So this is like the verb burst, but it's alluding to like a feeling that you have. Because things that burst explode. So you're just like exploding with energy. Our next word is opportunities. Opportunities. It looks like these kids are widening their opportunities in the future. If you have opportunities, you have chances to make something good happen. It's like a chance. Chance is a synonym for opportunity. And our sentence is, Miss Gregor gives us many opportunities to solve problems on our own. She gives us many chances, many opportunities. Our next word is immigration. Immigration. Immigration is the process of coming to live in a new community. So it might look like these people are all from different areas of the world, and they've immigrated to, they're all holding American flags, so they've immigrated to the United States. Immigration workers make sure that people follow the laws about moving, because there's a lot of laws when it comes to moving from one place to another in terms of countries, because countries are ruled by different rulers, and like we have our president, but the president's only the ruler of the United States. He's not the ruler of Mexico or Brazil or Cambodia or China or North Korea. He's just the president of the United States. And so there's rules about living, like moving and living for your life from one country to another, since there's different rules. Immigration. Refugees. Refugees. And we see in these pictures, there's a lot of people traveling. So refugees are people who must leave their countries because of war or other serious problems. So sometimes one country, it might be war-torn, or there's just, lots of violence and it's unsafe. And so people have to they have to journey, take like a big pilgrimage and find safety elsewhere. Some refugees who flee their homeland must start new lives in a different country. Refugees. And our last word for today is amazing. Amazing. This one you might already be familiar with. If something is amazing, that means it's very surprising and wonderful. You're in awe of it. You're marveling at it. That's another one of our vocabulary words, was marveling. So you might marvel at something that's amazing. The beauty of the stars in the night sky was absolutely amazing. Our words are burst. I'm just bursting with energy. I might explode because there's so much inside me. Opportunities. A synonym is chances. Our teacher gives us many opportunities or chances to solve problems. Immigration. Immigration is when you travel from, not just traveling, but you move from one country to another. Refugees are fleeing their country because of either the economics or violence. And then amazing, it's when something's like surprising and wonderful.